Welcome, millionaires and billionaires. As always, I am to bring you truth, knowledge, and wisdom to assist you in your journey through crypto. So, if you are passing through for the first time, guys, consider subscribing and stay up to date with all crypto related matters and give yourself the opportunity to become a whale in crypto. So, brief update as far as what's been going on with the project, guys. We have added a new utility to the project, which is we giving the top holders their own automated trading bots, MEV bots, which is something everyone in the crypto space are trying to get their hands on. Unless you're not experiencing in crypto, then most likely you won't know what or understand what MEV or MEV in arbitrage trading bots are. So these bots are generating on average 30 to 50 ETH every few hours by doing sandwich trades, by also looking for front running opportunities in different coins, and buying before a large transaction and selling right after the big transaction to create and generate profits. So the top holders in our project, the BullsRunToken, will receive their own automated trading bots, and that's going to be trading for them. And once they fully understand it, again, there is a learning curve as well. So this is why we've set up the one of the Telegram for the MEV bots specifically is to teach you guys everything about the trading bots, the MEV, and how they works, how to operate them. And we have deployed it successfully on the testnet. The next step is to continue to fully test all the functions and everything, just to make sure everything's is working properly before we deploy it on the mainnet, and start feeding it some ETH and sending it out there to start trading for us. And again, if you at least at the very top holders, you will have the opportunity to own multiple trading bots as well. So you can have different bots for different trading styles. You can have a bot. One idea is we like to do is want to have, like I stated before, we're gonna have a very own army of trading bots, and two particular bots that I would like for us to specifically have just for those features alone is one is to look for trading opportunities, to look for transaction that's minimum is $1 million transactions and up, and try to front run those. And the other one is we want to have one bot just specifically for buying and selling tokens. So let's say if we buy a particular token, we want to have the bot trade for us. So it would look for those times. We can program the bot to where at a certain point the bot will sell for you and take profits, and it will wait for the dip to buy again, so you don't have to constantly watch the charts and waiting for the time to sell, because most of the times the coin can pump very quickly and you don't have the opportunity to even take profits. So that's what's going to give us the leverage with any coins we have, so that way the bot does all the work for us, so everything's going to be automated. And I think that's really going to level the playing field with our project, because I don't see any other project in the crypto space that has the MEV bots, army of MEV bots, automated trade bots. But every dev that has these bots, they're not giving it out to anyone anyway. So and for you to find an MEV bot or automated trading bot, you're gonna have to spend a lot of money. But we don't sell these bots, we just give them to the top holders in the project. And again, do get yourself the opportunity to get into the pre-sale that's going on, and give yourself the opportunity to own one of these MEV and arbitrage bots, guys, because once we start rolling these bots out, and I know everyone's gonna start to see the results and the profits, then by that time it's going to be very difficult for you to get into the top holder, because once the project starts to pump, then yeah, there's going to be so many people at the top, so you have to keep buying and keep buying to get yourself the top position in the project. So the best way to get in early, the best way to get into the top holder is to get in early, especially in pre-sale. And a lot of you guys did get into the private sale, so you guys are already the top holders. So we will start adding you guys to the MEV trading bot Telegram. So if you are passing through, guys, for the first time, consider subscribing and join the Bulls Run Telegram group, so you be among the winners in this bull run cycle, guys. So we'll take a brief look at the market, guys, and I do have to finish updating the website for the bull run as well, because there's a lot of new things I have to update, especially since we've differentiated this project from the privacy wallet and also the privacy blockchain. So this is just a project on its own, which is a meme token with a lot of utilities behind it, the private crypto signal group, the automated trading bots. So I think that's gonna give us a big leverage in crypto, guys, and this is another big reason why we're going to become whales in crypto. And based on what's been happening lately, and I have been feeling under the weather, guys, excuse my the nosy sound. It sounds like the speech is coming from the nose, because I have been feeling under the weather, and I've been sick but slowly recovering. So lost the train of thoughts here, but anyway, we'll look at the Bitcoin charts. We've been waiting for Bitcoin to at least retrace into the 26k levels before the next big breakout to 40k. So let's check trading view here. On the weekly time frame, we are seeing a lot of resistance. This is why I said I've been expecting the market to dip at the 26k. So we can get a better picture and understanding if we look at the daily time frame. Yeah, I was expecting the price to at least retrace here at the support 26k here, and afterward to continue the next breakout into pass, because the resistance right now is at 31k. It's different doing these videos on the phone. It is convenient, so moving forward I think I'm going to be doing more videos on the phone, guys, just to alert you guys. So far, then again, guys, the chart can just out of nowhere starts pumping without even a retracement. Usually in a bull run, if those who control the market, if they don't want any retracement, sometimes there won't be a retracement. It might be a slight retracement, and then the market continues to pump. So looking at the bigger picture, we are waiting for the big breakout of 40k, and then that's when FOMO will start to kick in. I have to clean the chart up here, guys. This was more of an impromptu overview of the market on TradingView. considering I will be doing more videos on the phone, so I will clean the chart up for the next video so you guys can get a better view of what's happening here. Let's clean this up a little bit. Yeah, this is just to reiterate and summarize, guys. Just being part of the project. You don't have to buy a MEV bot because it's something everyone is looking for in the crypto space. So we're gonna give you guys your own automated trading bots, and that's gonna be trading for you. So you're never gonna miss your chance to buy in a big dip again. So let's say you're in a particular coin, and let's say you're sleeping, and someone sold a huge amount in a particular coin, and you've been waiting for a dip. But if you're sleeping, you're gonna miss the opportunity to buy the dip. But with the automated trading bots, once we program it to look for dips, we can program it to look for 50% dips. We can get it very precise to 50% dips, 60%, 70%. At each levels, it can buy a certain amount of tokens. So never again will we be able to miss a big opportunity in any coin, because the bot will be buying those dips for us, and also we'll program the bot when to sell as well. So we get out of the market before everyone starts selling, or before these other big whales start dumping. So most of you understand how fast bots trade is. In a matter of milliseconds, they can buy and sell in a matter of milliseconds, less than a second. So they are very quick and accurate if you program them correctly and properly. So this is what I think this is gonna give us the big leverage that we've been waiting for, and this is also manifesting itself to give us the opportunity to become whales in crypto as well. Because every time we say we are whales in crypto, we're gonna be whales in crypto. We are bringing those words into reality. We are manifesting those words. So based on what's been happening lately, guys, it's fair to say that I don't believe I'm in control of what's happening with this project anymore. I mean, yes, I am doing everything I can to move the project forward, but it seems like the universe is in control, and it's using me to create these utilities for the project, because we did started the MEV bots, I would say almost a year ago, but this project didn't exist. So all of a sudden the MEV bot is married, these trading bot is married with this project. So it's fair to say that the universe is guiding this project, and it's using this project to create whales, to manifest millionaires and billionaires, guys. Because based on what's been happening, sometimes it seems like it's out of my control of what's happening. I'm being forced to do things by the universe. But then I did make an agreement with the universe to create whales, to create millionaires and billionaires. So all I have to do, as far as how things are going to happen, is not up to me. So this is where the universe will take control and use my hand to create these things. So this is why I believe this is going to be one of the biggest projects, because it's no longer under my control or anyone else's control, but the universe's control. So once we finish the tests on these MEV bots, and we deploy them on the mainnet, and we send them out, we feed them ETH, and we feed them whatever tokens we want it to go trade out, guys. And once they mix the profits, that's just your own personal bots, but I'm speaking because the project itself will have its own army of bots, army of trading bots, going out fetching profits in different tokens and then coming into the R charts, the Bulls Run token charts, and dumping the profits and pumping the charts. And most of you guys want to make your profit too. I'll show you guys how to secure those profits as well. You can keep them in your wallets, but sometimes you can keep some of those profits in a contract as well in a smart bot. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have a contest where we invite a lot of hackers to hack those bots after we've done the test, just to make sure everything is secured. And there's the security feature that no outside entity, or if you're not an owner of the contract, you can't access it. So that's going to give us an idea of what else we need to do to the bot to protect it against hackers. So this is why we're going to feed the bot some ETH, and we're going to invite hackers to hack it to see if they can hack it, and to see what other security measures we need to implement just to make sure that bot is safe. And once everything is all set up and we have all the security measures, we can even store our coins on some of the bots as well, and then just tell it, hey, program it and go out there and start trading these large transactions. And there's two types of trading bots we also want to have as well. Is one that looks specifically for minimum of $1 million trades. So we'll have a bot just looking out for, if it's less than $1 million trade, it won't even attempt to front run it. So it has to be a minimum of 1 million and up, and then it's going to look for those transaction and then front run them. And another specific one also is we're going to have one specific bot where it just buy and sell a particular token. So that way we don't miss out on any big dips. We don't miss out on a chance to take profits at the top, guys. So I think this is gonna give us a big leverage in crypto, guys. So once the word starts to going out that our project has an army of trading bots, I think it's gonna cause a lot of noise, and people are gonna start to pay attention to the project. So if you are just passing through again, guys, consider subscribing and be among the winners circle, and give yourself the opportunity to own your own automated trading bot by joining the pre-sale. The link for the Poolo is in the description below, guys, as well as the main Telegram. Join the main Bull Run Telegram, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.